Greetings everyone, happy to see you all again for part 2 of the series about collections. Sit down and relax because class is in session. In the last video we talked about lists, arrays, and dictionaries. Today we will talk about the rest of the collections. I won't cover everything there is to know about them, but at least the basics to help you understand the concept. If you want me to explain something in more detail or want me to cover a special topic in its own video, leave me a message in the comment section below. And if you want some online 101 or group tutoring on programming, contact me via my email. First on the list, we will talk about tuples. In all three languages, tuples are ordered by index numerical values, so you can check the values within the tuples by the position index. Tuples also allow duplicates. Just like in Python lists, tuples can have values of any type, though in C++ and Java, you have to declare the types for each of the elements. Here's when things get complex. In Python and Java, tuples are immutables, meaning that they can be changed. But in C++, the values within tuples can be changed, just as you can see in the example on the screen, keeping the code neat and organized so it is easier to understand for you and anyone else looking at the code. In Java, tuples are complex in their own way. Tuple variables have different names depending on how many elements they store. So if, for example, you want to store 3 elements, you will have to create a triplet. If you want to store 7 elements, you will have to create a septet. They all have different names, but indeed, they are all tuples. The next collection we will cover is sets. The main detail that sets have in common in all three languages is that duplicates are not allowed. And even if you try and add one, set duplicate will be ignored. Unlike in Java and C++, in Python, sets cannot be altered after creation. Sets in Python and Java are unordered, meaning that their order is random. In C++, a set's default order is descending. In C++ and Java, but not in Python, you have to declare the single type for all the elements the collection will store. I know all these details can be confusing, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you all. And if you need to review any of these topics and more, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos to come. Now the last collection we will cover is called queues. Queues are very similar to a waiting line in that when you retrieve an element in a standard situation, you will obtain the very first element on the queue. Even though queues are ordered, they are not in fact indexed. Getting an element from a queue is referred to as popping. So when you pop an element, you extract it into a variable and it gets erased from the queue. And all other elements move up one spot. Now this being the basic way of dealing with queues, but not the only way. You made it to the end of the video, congratulations! I really hope you are enjoying this learning journey because on the next video I'm going to be teaching a brand new subject, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Stay well and good night.